live for Fundamentals of Workplace Safety Part 2. What we have seen yesterday, Part 1. Now, Fundamentals of Workplace Safety Part 2 we are going to see. That Part 1, what are the proactive workplace 5 major hazards we have seen. Then we have seen the how the workplace safety proactive measures needs to be taken. What are the fundamentals for the workplace safety? So here the continuation of the fundamentals of workplace safety. So when you have a workplace safety, then only you can have a proper way of working structure to prevent any accidents or incidents, near misses. So when you are proactively preventing the accidents, then only you can have a proper safety standards you are maintaining. So the workplace safety is always very important. When you are being a safety professional, you can implement the proper way of safety. Being a single safety officer or a single manufacturing industries and all, the workplace safety you can maintain based on these fundamentals. So those who are missed part 1, you can see it in our HSE Mindset channel YouTube, live sessions. When you go, the part 1 is available. Now we are going to see fundamentals of workplace safety part 2. So in this part 2, we will start with the safety sign categories. So how you know what are the important safety signs for any kind of industries? Number 1, you have a safety sign like this, circular, pink. It's called protection. Then you have the circular. In this format, you have a red and white. Red and white means it's like a protection, almost the protection like area. Then you have in case of triangle, in this kind of triangle, there is a symbol of we can say warning symbol. You can call it as a yellow. Then it's a yellow and black is there. So it's we can call it as a somewhat fencing or protective area. Then if the square plus this kind of mark says the rectangle square, it says the green and white, it's a medical use. It's called medical use. So these are the safety signs you must know it. So first we are talking about the fundamentals of workplace safety. Part 1 we have seen. In that part 1, what are the 5 main hazards for workplace we have seen. Then we have seen how the different kinds of codes in industries, codes we have seen. Now categories, these are safety sign categories. In case of circular, then pink color, then protection, then circular, red and white. So the area protected areas, then triangle, yellow and black, you have a fencing area. Then square, rectangle, you have a green and white means medical first aid or medical emergency. So these are the main workplace safety signs. You must know it. Then apart from that, you have an emergency response. So in the emergency response, everyone must know it fire triangle. What is fire triangle? You have every safety officer, they must know it. What is fire triangle? The fire triangle, heat, fuel, oxygen. This is the fire triangle. So, in this fire triangle, if you remove one, then fire cheese off. Fire, totally cheese off. If you remove fuel, then the fire will off. If you remove oxygen, fire will off. If you remove heat, fire will off. So, in your industry, wherever the fire happening, then you want to cease the fire immediately, you have to remove any one. This is the fire triangle. Without this, there is no fire. Without this, there is no fire. That is, you must know it. So, in this fire triangle, here you have a heat, here fuel, here oxygen. So, heat, fuel, oxygen, then fire. So, if you want to cease the fire, if you want to stop the fire, you have to remove the fuel. Not possible. You can remove heat. Not possible. Then you can remove oxygen. Any one, you remove it. So when the fire is there in the room, you are closing the door and allowing oxygen not to enter inside the room. Then fire will off. Fire will cease off. So that is the procedure you have to follow. When the fire is there, you want to cease the fire, then you have to remove either fuel, either heat, either oxygen. Any one you have to remove it. So the fire triangle is the basics. It's a fundamental for the workplace safety. Every safety professional, they must know it. What is fire triangle? So in this, heat is there, fuel is there, then oxygen is there. If you want to stop the fire, if you want to remove the fire, then you have to remove any one. Either you have to remove fuel, if not possible. If you want to remove heat, not possible. Then oxygen removing easy option. When you remove the oxygen, then fire will cease off, fire will off. So that is the emergency response. So the fundamentals of workplace safety, what we have seen, the safety signs and the categories, then we have a fire triangle. Okay, next one, first aid. So first fire triangle, we have seen fuel, heat and oxygen. So next one is, we have a first aid. So, what is A, B, C in first aid? A, B, C is very, very important for first aid for safety professionals. That is airway, breathing, circulation. So, A means airway, B means breathing, C means circulation. So, A, B, C, you must know it. So, when somebody under problem, serious, some heat stroke or some unconscious or some breathing trouble or somebody stick into fire area or in emergency. So what you have to check A, B, C means airway. This airway is any blockage is there in the airway, that you have to check. Okay, then you have to check breathing, that person is properly breathing or not. If the problem is breathing, you have to give the more breathing through the open window. So bring the guy to the open area and give the breathing. Then circulation. Then proper circulation means pulse is there or not. Proper, beats, heartbeat is there. pulse is there, body blood circulation is there, that you have to check. So whoever getting injured, whoever be serious, no problem, but you have to immediately check A, B, C. So in this A, B, C, you can check it airway, breathing, circulation. So that is the major aim for ABC. That is the first aim. Okay, next one is how to use fire extinguishers. How to use fire extinguishers. It's one of the major thing you must know it. How to use fire extinguishers. Pass. The simple rule is pass. What is? There is a fire extinguisher there. So this is fire extinguishers. Pass. Pass means pull. P means pull. A means aim. S means fish. Then S means swab. Swab. So pass. P-A-S, pass. So this is fire extinguishers. When you take the first pull, so this is the hose. So when you are pulling this, you have to pull the hose. Pull the hose. Then here the fire. So fire. So aim the fire. So you have to aim the fire. Then fuse. You hear the handle. You have to fuse it. Press it. Fuse it. Fuse it. Fuse it. Then swab. You have to swab it. Swab it means you just take this hose and then you have to like this. Swab it. So then the fire will cheese off. Fire will cheese off. So this is the simple basic thinking of fire extinguishers. Pass. So how to use fire extinguishers? Pass. Pull. Aim. Use. Swab. Swab means like this. So you have to pull the fire extinguisher hose. Then aim the fire. There is a fire is there. You have to aim the fire. Then after aiming, so you are aiming the fire. Here the fire. Then what you have to do? Twist it. Here the handle. You have to twist it. Press it. Twist it. Then you have to take this one. You have to take this fuse. Swab it like this. Swab it. So this is the simple way of using the fire extinguishers. So the term is pass. Pull, aim, fuse, swab, fuse and swab. So pass. So this is the basic step for the fire extinguisher usage. So when you are being a safety professional for any kind of industry, you must know the basic fundamentals of the workplace safety. Yesterday, part 1, we have seen what are the 5 main workplace hazards. 5 main workplace hazards, what are they? Number 1, physical, chemical, biological, psychological, then electrical and mechanical. These 5 workplace hazards. So, physical means fall, slips, falling, these are physical hazard. Chemical, corrosive chemicals, fumes, or chemical hazard. Biological hazard, bacteria, fungi, virus is there in the restroom or in the, all washing areas or the people contact. That is the bacteria, virus, fungi. That is biological hazard. Then psychological hazard, human behavior, tension, stress. That is, sometimes stress makes people accidents. So that is why psychological hazard. Then electrical and mechanical hazard means mechanical machine parts. Then electrical, live wires and the electrical room, inside the live wires may hazard. So these are the 5 workplace hazards that we have seen yesterday. And second one is PPE, importance of PPE. PPE means personal protective equipment, helmet, the mandatory PPEs for each and every workplace. So helmet, hard hat. Then safety glass or safety goggles. Then gloves, safety hand gloves. Then boot, safety boot, that is for safety shoes. So then face shield for any kind of grinding or mechanical, electrical work, face shield. So these are the major mandatory PPEs you must know it. These PPEs and also the workplace hazards we have seen yesterday. Today what we have seen, safety signs for workplaces. In case circular means what, in case emergency means what, medical emergencies means what. So these are the things we have seen now. Then in case what is fire triangle? Fire triangle we have seen today, and also we have seen first aid A, B, C. In any first aid, first you should think about the A, B, C means airway, breathing, circulation. That you have, if a person unconscious or in emergency, immediately you have to see these 3, A, B, C. Airway is properly there, breathing is there, proper circulation pulses is there, that you have to find out. So that is the first aid. Then final part is the pass. How to use the fire extinguishers. Pulling the hose and gaining the fire, using the handle and swabbing the hose for fire area. So that is the fire extinguishers usage. So these are the things you must know it for as a fundamentals of workplace safety. So now everyone, you understand how the workplace fundamentals are working. These are the basics for any safety officers. They must know the safety professionals, even new people. Safety new people are those who are going for a safety as a career. They must know what are the fundamentals of workplace safety. So these are the basic fundamentals of the workplace safety. When you know this one, then later you can study a lot of things and get well versed and being a professional safety officers. So that's what you must know what is first aid. You must know the fire triangle. You must know how to use the fire extinguishers. You must know the types of workplace hazards. You must know the PPE and the importance. So these are the things, when you know it, you can easily take your career further as a safety officer. So some of the basic things, this one. So you have to learn more. Being a safety officer, you have to learn more. This is just a fundamentals to understanding as a safety person. This is basic understanding of a safety. So these part 1, part 2, both fundamentals of safety is available in our HSE Mindset channel. Where it's available, it's in live video session. You see part 1. part 2, go through 2. All safety officers, when you are going through this one, definitely you have a different idea. You can definitely learn more and you can improve your standards. So thanks for viewing these live sessions of fundamentals of workplace safety. So you have any questions, anything, you just give a comment in that. Definitely I will try to answer for the comments. So you didn't subscribe this channel, subscribe HSE Mindset channel, like it, share it, and support for this HSE Mindset channel. You can learn all HSE details, safety details, environmental details, and all the HSE related courses and trainings, live sessions are available as a video form in this channel. Go through it, learn it more, and being a successful safety professional. So I hope you understand this live session. We will see some other live session in different HSE topics. So thanks for viewing and thanks for supporting. Thank you very much.